Hello and good morning. Sui, hello. Hello. Sui has the sword. Oh no, Sui, don't get me. Good morning. Today is Monday, November 18th. And we are doing refrigerator. Refrigerator. 냉장고. Refrigerator. 냉장고. Hey, there's Uju. Say hello, Uju. Say hi. Refrigerator. Uju. Sui, hi. Hi. All right. So, fridge, or, refrigerator. Refrigerator. So end our sentence. Type. I have in my refrigerator. So you could say, I have kimchi in my refrigerator. Uh-oh. You're okay. I have kimchi in my refrigerator. I have milk in my refrigerator. I have eggs in my refrigerator. So type. What do you have? What do you have in your refrigerator? This one is crazy. What do you have in your refrigerator? So type below what you have, and I will put you in the bucket. So everyone, happy Monday. Bye-bye. So you say bye-bye. Would you bye-bye?